morning student, welcome here in this YouTube channel. Direct and indirect speech we have been starting, and that change in tense, change in specific words that we have done. In this video we will discuss how to change pronouns in direct and indirect speech. Okay, you are requested to write all the rules in your book. Today's topic is change in pronoun. Okay, means this is very important. Change in direct and indirect speech means how we can change pronoun in direct and indirect speech, that will be discussed. Okay, so let me tell you one chart of pronoun. This direct and indirect speech is totally depend on, we can say it, one, that change of tense, and second, that change of pronoun. So if we have first person in RV, so that will change according to the subject of the if we have first person in RS, so that will go for the subject of RV. Okay, see. First person mean I and we. That will change according to the subject of the RV. So if you have first person, it means first person singular and plural both. So first person singular means I and first person plural means we. It means if you have I or we in RS, so that will be changed according to the subject of the RV. Okay, let me give you example of this. See, he said, I am tired. So as you can see student, here we have this I, that is first person. So this will change according to the subject of the RV. Subject of the RV is he. This part is our RV and this part is our RS. Okay, so we will change this into indirect speech. Here we have said, so this will be changed. He said that. Now I. Okay, we have to change according to this. So this I will be changed into he, and this M will be changed into was. He was tired. Inverted commas will be gone. Okay, so this is the right answer of this. So same way, if we have we, me, you, me, I, me, we, my, our. First person means I, me, we, my, our. Okay, so this will change according to the subject of the are we. Please you note down this, student. Secondly, it is now talking about second person. You must remember that pronoun chart, that is I, me, my, mine. That chart you must remember. Second rule, if we have second person in RS, that will be changed according to object of the RV. Now in second person what we have? So in second person we have you, your, singular and plural both. In second person we have you and your. And this you is used as a singular and as a plural too. Let me give you the example. He said to her, you are understanding person. Now answer of this. First of all, this said to will be changed in he told her that. Now this you in RS, I mean this is second person. So that will be changed according to object. So this is object of the RV. Okay. So her means, here we need subject. So her will be changed into she. So you will be replaced by she. She, R will be was understanding person. This way second person change according to the object of the RV. Please you note down this. Rule number 3. If we have third person in RS, that will not be changed. Third person means he, she, it and they. This will not be changed. And here see her, that will also be added. Her, him, them. These are not changed. Let me give you example. He said, her dress is ready. So here we have third person in RS, that is her. So this we have third person. Okay. So answer is, he said that her dress was ready. Only is will be changed into us. This her will not be changed. Second example, let me give you. She said, he likes Indian food. So again here we have, that is third person. So answer is, she said that he, simple present turn into simple past, he liked Indian food. Okay. So this way, if you have third person in RS, so that pronoun will not be changed in indirect speech. Only tense will be changed like this. Here is, was, and here likes, liked. Okay. Please you note down this, student. Now we have that sun theory based on this pronoun. Let me give you that, so that pronoun change will be easy for you. Okay, so our first rule was if we have first person in RS, so that will be changed according to RV's subject. So if we have first person in RS, so that will be changed. Okay, sorry. First person in RS. So that will be changed according to RV's subject. If we have second person in RS, so that will be changed according to RV's object. If we have third person in RS, that will change. No, it will not be changed. So no change in there. So here we have S, O and N. So this is known as Sun theory. So this is our Sun theory. You have to remember this pronoun change based on this Sun theory. If we have first person in RS, that will be changed according to subject. So S. If we have second person in RS, that will be go for object, that is O. And if we have third person in RS, there is no change. So this N. So this Sun theory will help you to understand the change of pronoun. Please you note down this. Next is I would like to give you one pronoun chart, okay, that you have to remember. This pronoun chart will help you to understand this. See, subjective case, objective case, next is possessive pronoun, and here we have possessive adjective, okay. So the chart is like this. We have done this in 8th standard, in 7th standard. So subject is I, me, my, mine. This you have to remember. It is possessive adjective, sorry, and here we have possessive pronoun. Okay. I, me, my, mine. We, us, our, ours. Number 3 is you, your, yours. You, your, yours. Number 4 is he, him, his. Number 5 is her, she, her, hers. Still we have 2 to complete. Please you note down this. You have to remember like this. See, I, me, my, mine. We, us, our, ours. You, your, yours. He, him, his. She, her, and hers. This way you have to remember. Next is it. It's. Here we don't have. Okay. Number 7. They, them, their, theirs. This way we have this pronoun chart, and how this chart will help you. Let me give you example. Please you note down this, student. Again I am writing 2 lines of this chart to make you understand. Okay. So suppose I, me, my, mine. Suppose he, him, his, and third one is she, her, hers. Now I am giving you one sentence. See, he says, I was running at that time. So sun theory I have already given. Now you can change these sentences into using this. Okay. He says, not says, said. So he said that. Now this I, okay, and as per rule I will be changed according to the RV subject. RV subject is he, so obviously we will put he here. But look at the thing, means when we have I here, subject of he is also he. So that way you can use this chart. So he said that he. Now verse will be changed into had been. He had been running at that time. This way this chart will help you if you remember this chart. Okay, otherwise our sun theory is there to make you understand the pronoun change. Please you note down this. Okay students, so this is for today's video. Now I would like to give you homework, and in homework write all the rules and pronoun chart in your book. These all the rules you have to note down in your GE book. Okay, still some rules are need to be discussed. After that we'll go for the exercise. We'll meet again in next video with new rules. Till then, bye, take care.